Hello everybody, it's Jason with Investing Logically. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. In this video we're talking about Enphase Energy and the Q4 2020 results that came out today and how this stock could continue to surge in 2021. Also, feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Also, feel free to like this video for the YouTube algorithm so more people can learn about investing in finance. So the stock is Enphase Energy, ticker symbol Enph. So it's currently trading around $202.07. It's currently up 0.98% on the day. So right around 12 p.m. was up 5%, but then it dropped all the way down. So that's why it's 0.98% on the day. So I don't know what happened, but I'm pretty sure it's a seller. Enphase Energy is an American-based company that develops and sells energy solutions. So according to Yahoo Finance, they beat their estimates by 11 cents. We'll look at their first quarter 2021 financial outlook. Expect revenues to be within a range of 280 million and 300 million. This is an increase from their Q4 2020 earnings. For their revenues, so we're going to look at the 3 months ended revenue. So in 2020, September 30, 178,503. In December 31, 2020, they had 264,839 in net revenues. So that's really good for the company. So that's a good increase of revenues right now. So right now we're just going to look at their balance sheet to determine if they're going to go in bankruptcy or not. December 31, 2020, they have 1,201,102 in total assets. They have total liabilities of 760,109. So they have more assets than liabilities, so that's a good sign. So we can see that they have cash and cash equivalents of 679,379. So they have more than enough cash to pay off their current debt, and they have more than enough to pay off their non-current debt. They're not going to go in bankruptcy anytime soon. So we have, even if they pay all of their long-term debt and short-term debt, they'll still have tons of cash left over. So this is good for the company. So according to their Q4 financial results, I do think they're looking like a healthy company. Now we're going to look at their price target. They have an average price tag of $217.50. They have a high of $266 and a low of $131. It's increased from last time. They have 9 buys, 4 holds, and 1 sells targets. These are just average price targets from some analysts. Do not base your decision on these price targets. If you believe in the company, you believe in their fundamentals, you believe in the future, invest in the company solely based on your decision. Do not base your decision on these analysts. That's what some institutions are doing with Enphase Energy. So an institution called Referity Asset Management LLC, they currently loaded up more shares today. So the 10th of February, they added more shares. I do think this was because their Q4 earnings report was really good, and we see here no institutions are selling their shares. Really good for this company. How I would invest $1,000 in this company. So it's currently down 0.98% on the day. But on the month, it's up 0.19%, but on the year, pretty sure it's up 403.04%. So first of all, I would invest my first $250 on this company tomorrow when market opens, no matter the price, because we believe in the company, we believe in the fundamentals, and we believe in the future. So we put our first price tomorrow when market opens. This drops to $195. Put your next $250 on this. And on Friday, if it drops again, put your next $250 on that. Then on Monday, it drops further than the price on Friday. Put your next $250 on that. Then on the last day on Tuesday, if it drops below the price it was on Monday, put your last $250 on that. Once you average down, you ride it back up to its highs, because we know this company is going to go back up. So the reason we average down and we don't pour all our money at once is because we don't want to miss on those buying opportunities. We want to maximize our profits, so we average down so we catch all the dips. I do think clean energy and electrical vehicles is the future. How long am I holding this company? So I'm holding this company for 10 years. We know whose goals is to solve climate change. We know clean energy helps that. And also the electrical vehicle market is growing. More and more people will buy electrical vehicles, and they will obviously need battery storages, and Enphase will provide them with that, which will increase their revenues. Also, price target for this stock is $150. I do think it won't go below $150 because this is a growing market. My high price target for the stock is $350. I think it is a buy. I do think it's going to rise in 2021. We know about the promotions they're getting and the transition to electrical vehicle and the transition to clean energy. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your research before consulting my videos. Feel free to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. That's it from me. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you guys in the next one, and happy investing.